Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, March 7th, 2019. So another day that we saw some selling that stuck, that held on, and we did see a bounce towards the end of the day. But for the most part, the important support levels that I've been talking about, I've been saying it's been the 2764 level. That this is where the bears need to get through, and if they were, there was going to be a reaction trade down to the 2741. That's pretty much where we came down, and we had a bounce, and you know what was support is now resistance, and from there we saw another leg down. But we do have some bullish divergences, so it's one of the reasons why this morning I said I really wouldn't be chasing the short side, just because we can go from a technical view of things, and that's all I can go off of. And when you see some bullish divergences in place, I don't like to chase either the upside, bullish or bearish. I don't like to chase that direction. I'd rather just manage the trades and go from there. So what we're looking at right now, we have some bullish divergences. We're pretty oversold, and if we get a bounce tomorrow, it would make sense. But this is the, let's say, the bull bear zone. I can't really use just this level here as a bull bear line, because right above it is just as important. So I would say the 2760 up to the 2767. This is what the bulls have to get back above to get to gain control of the tape again. But right now, what we've seen is just a series of lower highs and lower lows. So we know that the bears are in control short term. It did find support right here, and we can now label this as the downside. So I would say this is the upside bull bear zone, where this is what the bulls need to get through to make a run somewhere up into the 2777 or 2787. The bears need to get it through this, the 2737, 2731. If they do that, then there's going to be a reaction trade down to the 2710. And if you remember, I've been saying that I believe that this 2704 area is going to be a magnet. So I would not be surprised to see a move come down here, and it may take until next week, but from there, that's where I'm anticipating that we're going to get a bounce. But from that, I'm still thinking that we're going to get another push to the downside after that, because these bearish divergences are in play, and you can see the momentum is just starting to turn over. So seeing a move come someplace down into the 2677, possibly 2636 would make sense, because again, it would set up this inverted head and shoulders pattern and get everybody that was looking at 30, that were in the new bull market and heading higher to new all-time highs, getting them to second guess themselves, and then from there it finds the low and then does head higher, and again, that's going to trap everybody. But the fact that we have the bearish divergences and we're still very, very overbought right now, if we bounce here, I still think the bounce is going to be held down, and then we get another move to the downside. So if we, right now, if the bears take out this 2741 level, then what happens is we're going to get that move. It should bring us down to that 2711. This is where you may want to start managing trades if you get in there, because most likely we're going to get that bounce back up to the 2741. That's if this gets taken out. If the bulls come out tomorrow and decide that they want to try to rally, then again, this 2764, 2767 is going to be what they have to get through, and where I believe that the sellers are going to be waiting, and this is going to be the battleground. But I don't believe this move is over yet, and my main reason is the daily chart on this and where we are. And like I said, I still believe that we have some more room to the downside. So support level right here, Bears lose that, watch for a quick move down to the 27.22, 27.10 area. On the upside, again, we have the bull bear zone right here. Bulls need to get above this 27.67. If they do that, there's going to be a reaction trade up to the 27.77, possibly 27.87. The Bears need to get it through this 27.32. If they do that, then we're seeing the move down to 27.10. We do have some bullish divergences on the 15-minute chart, so that is suggesting that we could make some type of low either tomorrow, or maybe this was the low. We have to kind of wait and see. I'm open-minded on that, but we really don't have anything set on the 60-minute chart, so that's telling me any bounce should get sold off, and we should end up down here. So with that, let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.